So today we are using Arista C-41 chemistry to, first we're going to mix up a fresh batch of developer, Blix, stabilizer, and then we're going to develop the color film. So these kits come in 1 quart and 1 gallon sizes, and this is the 1 gallon size. So we're going to break it down a little bit, and we're going to cut the recipe in half because we only have 1 roll of film to develop. So we're going to start with 10 ounces of water at 120 degrees Fahrenheit. And each time you buy a fresh kit of chemistry, it comes with the info sheet on it. And we also have a laminated version here, so if people are here, they don't have to worry about it. So yeah, 10 ounces of 120 degree water. We're gonna do that and turn this water as warm as it gets. And while that's warming up, we're gonna measure out 4 ounces of part A and 1 ounce each of part B and C. And then once we have the 10 ounces of hot water, we'll just add those all in and we'll be ready to go. This is developer part A. And we're taking 4 ounces. Just double checking everything.
Pretty sure there's 4 ounces in here still. Yes.
4 ounces. 1 ounce of part B. And 1 ounce of part C. So our water does not look like it's quite getting to 120 degrees, but that's okay because we have the sous vide anyway. So we're going to put 10 ounces of water in here. We're going to check the actual temperature. There it is. It's about 110 degrees. We need it to be 120. We did it! Great. We have 10 ounces of 120 degree water. We're adding 4 ounces of part A. Stirring. 1 ounce of part B. And 1 ounce of part C. And that is probably basically ready to go now because it only needs to be, between roughly 100 and 105 starting temp for developing. And because we started at 120 and added some room temperature ingredients, it brought it down to 103. So perfect. So for the Blix, we start with 9 ounces of water because we use a little bit more of the ingredients. This is actually, for the Blix, it needs to be at 125, I believe. Yeah. We start with Blix part A, and we're going to measure out 4 ounces of that. Part B we do 1 ounce of. And then we want 2 ounces of C. And then stabilizer is the last one, and it can be done, it stays at room temperature. And then we're gonna take 15 ounces from there of water and add 2 ounces, 1 ounce of the stabilizer. And that's just a 1-part chemical. And that is ready to go.